In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create P&L in Xero. To begin, sign into Xero and head to your organization's homepage. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct company file, especially if you manage more than one organization. From the main navigation, open the reporting area. This is where all your financial statements live, and it's the best place to generate insights that help you measure performance. Next, select the profit and loss report. This report summarizes your income and expenses over a selected period and shows your net profit or loss. It's one of the core reports you'll use to assess how the business is tracking. Before running the report, set the date range. Choose the period you want to analyze. This could be a month, a quarter, or a year. You can also specify custom start and end dates. Pick a range that matches your reporting cycle so your results align with your bookkeeping and any external requirements you might have. If your business uses tracking categories in Xero, for example, to monitor departments, locations, or projects, use the Compare Tracking Categories option. Turning this on will break down the profit and loss by each category side by side, making it easier to see which areas are driving revenue or incurring higher costs. If you don't use tracking, you can skip this, but it's a powerful way to add context to your results. Once your filters and comparisons are set, click Update. Xero will refresh the report with your selections. Now, scroll down to review the results. Start at the top with revenue, then look at cost of sales to understand gross profit. Continue through operating expenses and finish at net profit. As you scan, look for unusual spikes or dips and compare against prior periods or budgets if you're monitoring trends over time. When you're ready to share or store the results, click Export. Choose your preferred format. Typically PDF for fixed layout sharing, or Excel if you want to analyze or visualize the data further. Exports help you collaborate with stakeholders who don't have access to Xero or who prefer working offline. Finally, click Save to preserve your settings. Saving the report keeps your chosen date range, layout, and tracking comparisons so you can quickly rerun the same view next time. Give it a clear name that makes it easy to find later. That's it. Open reporting, run profit and loss, set your date range, compare tracking categories if needed, update, review, export, and save. Follow these steps each period to keep a consistent, reliable picture of your business performance.